Alright, so this has turned into a exploration of this, I don't know, 3250. See why it's not clamping. I know we got some leaks on the not the regulator, but the one that goes to the air deals. I do have these on order, the rubber things to clamp onto the rims. Those are on there really tight. Those might actually be stuck. I'm actually going to see if it will do anything after I get these off. Okay, these are on here really tight. I do want to see if this will come off now. I guess I got to take these off too, probably. I think these will slide off of here. If this unscrews or what? Spring loaded. I'm gonna put some air back into it and see. Oh, looky there. Well, that's great. I'm guessing that they were just too tight, kind of like that DeWalt drill I was working on. So again with that little, the thing that goes, so I got to figure out why now I'm not getting air over to the inflator. See, now this is turning. Cool. That was not doing that before. That's great. I guess these are supposed to come apart. Letting the air build up pressure. That builds up pressure. guess it's losing so much out there now. Okay, so I'll put those back on. I guess I'm losing so much now out the back, so I'm losing pressure. There's a crack here, and then I'm losing out of each place where these red hoses come in. So one of the red hoses goes up to here, which I'm not even getting any air going into that system. Now I don't know if it's that one down there. It says activate air inflation ring only when seating beach, but this would be for that, of course. But that's my thought would be that when you seat the tire, you got the air chuck on it, and so that's my thought there, is that when I'm seating the bead, then we'll have air will come through here, and that's probably one of those red hoses, and air will go into that system. Alright, so I'm gonna put these back on. Trying to figure out which. Is there a difference? Yeah, I'm gonna put it with that on the top. These rubber feet right here cost 38 bucks on eBay, coming out of Florida. There's actually a Hunter dealer in Huntsville where this at the school that this was at. I got it in Huntsville, and so got to call into that guy just to see if he probably worked on this thing, I imagine. Maybe it just did that and they were like, oh, it doesn't work anymore. Let's get a new one. I like to suppose they're plenty of money. Uh-oh, it's raining now. There are the hose on that thing needs to be, the inlet hose needs to kind of be repaired because it looks like it's about to blow. There, while the lights come on. Alrighty. of scared to push that button over there because it says caution, only do it when seating a beat. I don't know what's going to happen. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put these screws back in as well because they were really nothing. They were just I'd have to really want to get inside of it and take those off. Those didn't allow me any access to anything. But I see this is kind of popped up here. Okay, so these are just guards apparently. They're nothing really major. Famous last one. Probably keep junk from getting in there. The main regulator part I think is okay. It's the moisture collector one that's got all kinds of problems with it. So I got one over here. Let me see if I might be able to adapt it. Alright. All I need to do here is just like cut that. This one goes down into the unit. So, and then this one goes, well, they're both gonna go down, I'm assuming. That's loosed. Oh, come on. All right. Looking, it's got one little crack in it right here. I don't know if that's supposed to have oil in it or not. Okay, I'll take this off right here. Alright, just an update on the tc3250. I wanted to do some research on it. So I am buying a new unit here. What I found out was that this is the oiler. Okay, so probably hasn't been kept up. They probably didn't do that maintenance, and so the oil that's used in this Hunter it recommends the Hunter lubri-oil, which is apparently a mineral base. I couldn't find the MSDS on that, but but it does appear to be a mineral oil, and there is one that they actually use the lubri-oil part number as an interchange, and I bought that on eBay. I couldn't find lubri-oil on eBay, but the MSDS for the Lubritech Fuchs 10WNR says it's mineral oil, and it doesn't go into any more details about that. And so that will be in, this new unit will be in. I'll change out this hose back here that's getting kind of weak here, and So they say that if your system's running kind of slow, which I would imagine this one is kind of slow, then definitely it's time for some lubrication. So we'll just do the rest of the tires by hand until everything comes in for this. So I think this ended up being a good buy. Got it for $700. So these things are selling used for $3,000 on eBay. So